Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove pro error while exporting your videos on the CapCut mobile. So if you try to export your projects but you cannot do it because you unknowingly use a CapCut Pro features on your edits, but you are only on the free CapCut, here's how you can remove the error. So when you try to export, there will be this pop-up when CapCut will tell you to unlock the Pro CapCut. Here you can join the CapCut Pro, or you can remove the Pro features that you use. So in here, CapCut will show you what Pro features that you use. For example, on my edit, I use the auto adjust. And here, what you need to do to be able to export your video is just delete the feature. So I'm going to go back, and here I'm going to find the auto adjust. So this is the auto adjust, and let's remove it. Like this, you can see the Pro will disappear, and now when I try to export, I can do it now. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.